the question is that x to the power k plus y to the power k is equal to a power k, where a and k both are greater than 0, and dy by dx plus y upon x whole power 1 by 3 is 0, then k is. Now its solution. This is the equation. If we differentiate it, then we will get this equation differentiated with respect to x. So it will be kx power k minus 1 plus ky power k minus 1 dy by dx equal to 0. From here we can get the value of dy by dx, which will be minus of x upon y whole power x minus k minus 1. Take this to the left side, you will get this equation. From here we can see that 1 minus k is 1 by 3, so k will be 2 by 3.